Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the best currency converter to your Shopify store. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can just head over to your dashboard. Then from in here, just scroll down until you can see this app section. So click on this app section and in here, it will open a search bar. So from in there, just click on this all recommended apps. And then this will open this Shopify App Store, but this is not everything. So just scroll down and click on the Shopify App Store right here. Once you have clicked on that, as you can see, it opened a new tab. And on this new tab, you just need to search in here for currency converter. So let's search in here for currency converter. And then as you can see, you will be able to see a lot of things that you can choose from right here. But click on this refine right here. Click on this build for Shopify and then click on apply. In that way, you can see everything that is actually supported by Shopify. And these things are for sure has a lot of review and has a lot of stars. So you can see Transy, e-translate, and all of these things right here. So you can just scroll down and then just look for a specific thing if you want. You can click on next right here to look for something. So for me, I want to use the box. So I'll search in here for box currency. And then from in here, I should be able to see the box currency converter, which is this one. So click on this. And as you can see, it is actually totally free. This because you need to do this or you need to have this app free or you need to pay a plan. So free is better. So click on install right here. And then it will ask for access to install a specific app. And then on this new page, you will be able to install this by granting it some access. So from in here, click on install. Then once you have clicked on install, you should be able to install this specific app on your store. And it will apply on your apps section on your actual store. So from in here, you can see the box currency converter. And on this box currency converter, you should be able to see its settings like this general right here. So in here, you can see what's new, some questions, and all of these things. So as you can see, the extension status is inactive and app status is off. So we need to turn that on. So click on turn on right here. And as you can see, the app status is now turned on, but we need to actually turn on as well the extension status. So from there, just head over and then click on the settings right here. On this settings right here, you can see a checkbox of what you need to do. So from in there, just click on setup money format. Click on setup right here. And you will see in here some instructions that you need to do. So what you can do is you need to first click on this link right here. For me, I'll just right click on it and click on open in new tab. And then from in there, the next thing you need to do is you just copy this HTML for currency. So copy. Now let's head over to the new tab. And then from in here, it will open this store details, everything right here. And you can also see here the store currency. Click on the three dots. Click on this change currency formatting. You can see in here the HTML currency. So let's remove that and let's paste what we have on our box currency. Let's head back again to the other tab and let's copy this HTML without currency. Now let's head over again to another tab and let's paste it right here. Now click on save. Then as long as the settings has been saved. So let's head back again to the tab and then click on next. I have done this. And then from in there, you should be able to see that it will be saved, as you can see, and we just need to enable the app extension. So click on enable right here. Now you just need to head over to the theme app extension settings. So let's head over and then right click and open this on a new tab. And then in here, it will open our current theme and what our store will look like right now. And in here, we have here the app embeds that we can actually use in order to enable our box. As you can see, it's been disabled right now. So let's click on this right here in order to turn that on. After that, click on save. As you can see, it has been saved. So let's head back in here again. And in here, click on I have done this. Once you have done all of these things right here, as you can see, there's this hurry button. And in here, you can select currency that you can display. There's already US, Euro, British Pound, Canadian Dollar. For me, I'll include Philippines right here. And you can actually select all currencies available as well. So in here, what you can do next is just need to click on save right here. As you can see, it has been saved. So you can show the currency with symbol or with currency symbol. So I'll choose this with currency symbol and click on saving here again. Let's do this. Now in here, you can just click on this view your online store and it will open a new tab wherein you can see your online store. Now from in there, just scroll down until you can see this. As you can see, it displays a peso currency and you can also change it from in here. This peso currency because I'm in the Philippines. But if you click on this, and for example, I click on US dollars right here. As you can see, it will also change in US dollars right here. And you have the option right here to see what it is actually on different currencies. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.